Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have, oh my gosh, an exciting unbagging to show you. I love everything in this package from GBFKE. Such cute things here. I'm so excited to show them to you. Okay, let's get into it. Let's just get into it. There's a bunch of stuff here, so let's roll with it. All right, let's start with this cutie here first. This little cute thing. Let's see. Sure. Lately, the sticky tabs have been giving me a hard time. We have to just fight with them. All right, come on. All right, here we go. These are stickers and I love them. I love that they're not like rolled up and they're not folded in the middle of them, because sometimes you get stickers and the way they roll them, they're like creased in the middle of the sticker. Anyhow, look at them. Aren't they cute? Aren't they adorable? All sunflowery gnome goodness. There's 2 on that one. There's 2 on this one. I love his hat. His hat will be fun to do. And then there's this one. Oh, his will be fun too, the stripes in it. Or her. That's a her, I think. She's got pigtails. Anyhow, cute. Aren't they cute? I think these are all regular drill. Yeah, they are. So I'm not going to open all these. We got a lot of stuff to go through. It's just oranges, greens, and browns. Just what you see there. Oranges, greens, and browns. Regular drill. They're cute. And then you can just cut these apart and your sticker the back will come off and all that good stuff, and they'll stick. They're so cute. I'm gonna put these on, I don't know, maybe release papers or containers, something. They're going on something. I don't know what. All right, that's that one. Cute. I will link everything I'm showing you below so that you can come and check them out as well. Every single kit came with one of those. So I have a couple laying around. All right. Are you ready? It's not all gnomes, I promise. But, you know, what would a Mindy video be without a gnome, right? Look at this one. Summer is here. I've told you guys, every season, every holiday, every event you can think of, there's going to be a gnome for it. It just says welcome. So this would be like one of those flags that you see that you can hang outside. But look at, he's got his surfboard. He's got some shells on his hat. He's adorable. He's got flip-flops on. Yes, he's got flip-flops. I love him so much. And he's just in the sand and the surf, and he's ready to go surfing. He's a surfing gnome. I love him. He's so cute. He's adorable, right? Here's our drills. Pink, gray, red, cream, yellowy color, orange, gray, blue, 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 green, what do you call that? Butterscotch. Green, coral, blue, there's a purple in there, and some white. And I love that they're pre-bagged and they're all in order. They do have a number on here, but as you can tell, this number starts to come off. So I would be careful. Either put a sticker on here with your number. I attach mine to my paintings, so I know what they belong to. There's 21 colors, but like I said, this is having a tendency to come off. It is this number, 4290, but it's hard to read it because it's already wearing off. So mark it, mark it, mark it, mark it, right? Mark it. Okay, look at this one. What do you think? I love this one. Look, lots of welcome. We welcome people a lot, right? There's lots of welcomes. But I love it. Look at, do I have this one already? I don't know. I have one similar to this if I don't. But look at, all of this is going to be special drills. The daisies are special drills. We got a hummingbird up here. I think I have one similar to this. I don't know anymore. I'm organizing. Let me just say this. I'm organizing. I have piles of paintings in my living room currently. Yeah. I'm filming like 6 videos today. So if you've heard me say that in another video, it's the same day. All right. We have yellow rhinestones. We have green. Come on. We can't tell what these are. We're not focused. Focus. Come on. Green, orange, black, a light brownish color, blue. There's that flower. How pretty. That's going to be the flower, the hydrangea. Here's our shards for the daisies. Clear, a blue, and we have some gold marquee. Love it. Love it. Pretty. Okay. So let's keep rolling. We got lots and lots to go here, and they're all cute. Cute, cute, cute. No, don't go anywhere. You stay with that. Okay, you ready for this one? I had to. I absolutely had to get this one. Your butt napkins, my lord. Right? There were a whole bunch of these, a whole bunch of butt napkins, but this one has a dachshund, has a wiener dog, right? How could I not get that? And we have this like Argyle looking background. It's so pretty. I just got it because it was too funny. I had to. Now this one's a little interesting, and I am not going to open these because you will notice that these are those little 200 drill bags. Yeah, so I am not going to open those, but you can clearly tell already we're going to have a lot of this teal color, some lighter gold colors, and some dark colors for our dog. But how cute. That's what my first dachshund looked like. No, the first dachshund was red. I'm wrong. Second dachshund, Heidi. Heidi looked like that. And then Heidi had babies, and oh, so fun. But how cute. How stinking cute. All right, here we go. I have to get all of these. You know I have to get all of these. They're all so pretty. I love the boots. I absolutely love the boots. Now, as I'm looking at this, I'm like, are these regular rhinestones or are they bigger? I don't know. They're probably regular rhinestones. They're going to look big, though, because of the way that it's printed here. So we have some flowers over here in a pot. Those are special drill. A big bouquet of hydrangeas and whatever this is. I don't know what I would call that. I don't know. Lupine. I don't know what it's. It's a flower. It's a purple flower. There are 13 different shapes and colors and sizes and fun things to put on it. So let's check it out. I love those muck boots. I love those. I wish I had a pair of muck boots like that. I do. I wish I had some. All right. What are our colors? We have a little bit of yellow. We got some centers for the flowers. Clear. Some greens. There's our shards for our daisies. Here's some marquee, iridescent. There's our hydrangea, all that blue. How pretty is that, right? Those are gorgeous. Those are so much fun to do. Have some iridescent teardrops here, 2 bags of those. That's going to be for this white flower, yeah. And then some more rhinestones, pink, some black. That'll go in the boots for sure. Some pink teardrops, some purple teardrops, and I don't know, just a light smoky color rhinestone there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Are you finding a favorite yet? Are you finding a favorite yet? I don't know, this is good stuff. I told you, I'm in love with this order. It's good, good, good stuff. Okay. You know. You know, right? I have to get them when I see them. Welcome summer. Look at him. He's in his little floaty. Isn't that cute? He's got a little dragon floaty ring. He's adorable, right? Look at the flowers on his hat. He's cute. He's so cute. These are good and sticky. Yeah, good and sticky. This one has 24 colors. Full drill. You want to see it? You want to see? Look. Boom. There we go. Up close and personal. Is that going to show up? Absolutely. That'll show up just fine. You know, I'm not even going to worry about it. No fretting. No fretting about it. Look at the pretty colors. Look at the blues, greens, oranges, a couple oranges, a yellow, another blue, some more green, pink, green, blue, pink, green, pink, blue, pink, green, yellow, pink, green, blue, pink, yellow. It is what it is. Okay, now here's the other thing you can do. I told you on that other package, the lettering was wearing off on the bag. If you check out one bag of drills, it should have your number. A5114. A5114. It's on there. Was it on the other one? Let me see. I'm certain it is, but let's just look real quick. That one that was wearing off, this one. Oh, nope. Okay, it's on the back. Darker. It was on both sides. But this one does not have that little sticker. Huh. All right. Just check and make sure. Make sure you mark them good so you know what they are. Okay? All right. Last one. Last one. Anybody for some lemonade? Some nice crisp lemonade in the summer. Yum. And let's have some daffodils. Why not? Daffodils. Lilacs? I don't know. Status? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Flowers. Again, flowers. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. So we got a pitcher and we got us a mason jar of lemonade with our straw. I like how you can see the straw all the way down through the lemonade. That's pretty cool. And look, it even kind of Comes all the way through. I like it. I like it. Again, with like the gingham. I'm loving these with the gingham backgrounds and stuff. They're so cute. Oh, what am I gonna do with all of these cute things? I'm back to needing that team. I need a team of diamond painters. Come to my house. Let's have a weekend. I'll provide all the diamond paintings. Just show up. Clear, yellow, black, purple, orange, green. There's our shards. We have shards. Oh, up in this flower up here. Those two flowers. Some pretty purple. Those are pretty. I like those a lot. Some more rhinestones, magenta, some gold marquise, and some clear marquise. Love it, love it, love it so much. Okay, you got to pick a winner. Which one? Which one? Tell me which one you like the best. I mean, come on. Tell me which one. It's hard. I know it's hard. Just tell me which one in the comments below that you like best. And let me know when you're ready to come over for a weekend of diamond painting at my house. Just show up. Just show up. Don't bring anything. I'll supply the diamond paintings, you know. I want to keep them though. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I love this unboxing. Everything in here I adore. So on to the next video. I think this is like 4 or 5 today. I'm trying to just do a whole bunch at once. A whole bunch. All right. Okay. There we go. Oh, woo. Now you can't even see them at all. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You know, after 4 videos, I get goofy. So you get goofy Mindy now. And I got one more to do. So, woo, that one should be a humdinger. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you come back. You don't want to miss the next one, whatever it is. All right. Talk to you later. Bye, everybody.